Hi musicians, it's Mr. Greenaway here from Thurrock Music Services, and today I'm going to show you the first three basic drum rudiments. The first one is single strokes. This is very easy. It starts on the right hand followed by the left hand. It goes like this. Notice that all the strokes have to be even, not one louder than the other, but nice and even. And you can actually say the word single, single. Single, single. The second one is doubles, two on each hand. Starting with the right hand, it goes like this. And you can also say the word double, double. Double, 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 double. Make sure your posture and your strokes are even. The third one is a mixture of the two, and it's a funny word called a paradiddle. I'll say that again, paradiddle. And that is a mixture of singles and doubles combined, and it goes like this. And it sounds right, left, 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 or paradiddle, paradiddle. Let's do that one again. Paradiddle, paradiddle. If you practice those three, you've got a really good start to being a great drummer. Hope to see you again. That's singles, doubles and a paradiddle. Bye.